cuts through the desert air. Stars like broken lanterns hanging everywhere. I step aboard with memories I can't hide. Tracks are trembling like the ghosts we left behind. Your voice still lingers like a half-forgotten prayer. And every mile I hear you calling somewhere. Last train through the dusty west, carrying hearts that loved and lost but loved their best. Smoke and shadows stretch across the dying sun. I'm holding on though you're already gone, on this last train through the dusty west. Sand and steel collide beneath the wheels. Every heartbeat echoes everything I feel. Old towns fade like pictures burned with time. Names and faces slip away, but yours stays mine. If you were here, would you still choose goodbye, or chase the dawn and never let it die? Last train through the dusty west, carrying hearts that loved and lost but loved their best. Smoke and shadows stretch across the dying sun. I'm